happy Sunday. What more could we ask for than this weekend's weather?
What more could we ask for, Leanne?
Rain.
Yeah, true. We really could ask for that because we do need it really badly. The good news is we're getting some, but we're keeping it during the work week.
All right, we'll take
you
it. I mean, it's
love to
not
see.
great for us. Well,
I
it might be.
you know, on like a Monday,
Yeah.
you can get your chores done.
Chores.
Kind of be lazy, don't feel bad about it. Maybe binge some Netflix tomorrow. We do have rain on the way for our Monday. A rumble of thunder not out of the question with that as well. Then things are drying out for Tuesday. It's our little in-between day out ahead of our next round of rain, which is coming in for the middle of the week on Wednesday. So that's what we got in store for the upcoming week. But today, we've got a beautiful one for our Sunday. A nice sunny skies by this afternoon. High pressure remaining in the region. That will keep us nice and dry. While there are a lot of clouds out there this morning, the afternoon should bring us plenty of sunshine. Now notice off to our west, we are seeing plenty of rain. That is headed our direction for tomorrow. But again, we get a good day today out ahead of that wet weather. Here's a look at our marine forecast for today. 2 to 3 foot seas, winds out of the southeast up to 15 knots. We do have a small craft advisory in place that goes into effect tomorrow morning. But we will overall see fairly calm conditions out there if you're getting out on the water today. So cool start this morning, temperatures in the 40s or 30s, warming up nicely this afternoon into the 60s. Some of us not even that far from 70 degrees, especially in western Maine. Watching from Freiburg this morning, yeah, you're approaching 70 for the afternoon. 66 today in Augusta, as well as in Bangor, and will be 64 in Portland. Notice along the coast, Rockland to Bar Harbor, we will see slightly cooler temperatures with that southerly breeze that will be coming off the water, which of course will keep us a bit cooler along the coastline. So here's what we're looking ahead to as we get into Monday. First up on the agenda is the rain, but a secondary factor is also going to be the wind. As these heavy downpours roll through on our Monday afternoon, it will be quite breezy. In fact, along the coastline, not out of the question to see some gusts approaching 40 miles per hour. So a breezy day tomorrow, wet as well. You're going to want that rain jacket heading out the door on Monday morning. You probably won't need it in the morning, but you certainly will by the afternoon. So let's break down the timing of the rain. We got a beautiful Sunday, plenty of sunshine by the afternoon, highs in the 60s. Clouds on the increase tonight. A couple showers are possible tomorrow morning, especially up towards the mountains along the Route 2 corridor. But I think most of us start the day off dry tomorrow, only turning wet after lunchtime as we get into the afternoon with some pockets of heavy rain rolling through. With those pockets of heavy rain, a rumble of thunder or two not out of the question. By Monday evening, though, we are drying things out, so it looks like a maybe 5-6 hour window where we'll see this rain moving through. Looks like somewhere around noon to about 5-6 p.m. or so. By the evening, we are drying out, and we'll be dry as well on Tuesday. It looks like the trends for Tuesday have been quite nice with sunshine towards the afternoon and highs generally in the 60s. So probably going to be a dry day on Tuesday before our next round of rain comes in on Wednesday. So round 1 of rain on Monday afternoon, drying out for Tuesday. Round 2 of rain looks to come in on Wednesday. Models are hinting that maybe this is a bit more showery, less steady rain on Wednesday. So we'll continue to watch that trend. But overall, it does look like a damp day with generally dry conditions by Thursday, although a few showers may end up lingering. So how much rain are we going to get? We really could use it, of course. An inch or more looks likely by the end of the work week, especially up in the mountains, where we could approach 2 inches or more of rainfall. We're really happy to see that. Of course, we need as much as we can get with our drought conditions. So here's a look at our 7-day forecast. Rain on the way for our Monday. Wrapping up for Tuesday, should be clear by the afternoon. Looks like a beautiful one for the afternoon hours before rain returns on Wednesday. Wrapping up for Thursday, although a few showers may linger, especially away from the coastline. Beyond that, we head into the weekend with dry weather, although cooler temperatures as well. Our average highs, though, Leanne, in the upper 50s, so mid to upper 60s today. We're about 10 degrees above normal. We love to see that. We'll enjoy the warm weather.
All right. Happy fall, y'all.
Happy fall, y'all. That's right. Yeah, so you know what I'm craving right now, Leanne?
Apple cider.
An apple cider donut, specifically.
I knew it.
Yeah,
Hot
I want
apple
one.
cider is what I'm craving.